All right, guys, let me share with you my favorite product to use in the wintertime. Is I have a whole bunch of crap on the car. My car's sat at the airport. It has been through snow. It has been through heavy dirt, heavy rain. And this is a product that I just think is an absolute game changer. We'll do it to the wheels. We'll do it to all of the car. And really, the camera doesn't do justice of just how nasty and filthy and dirty the car is. Hopefully it comes through okay. But I do have the DIY Detail 5-year ceramic coating, and I just want to show you how amazing this car is to just clean up without even a contact wash, and just how clean it absolutely gets it. But this thing has not been washed in probably over 3 weeks. It is definitely dirty, but between the coating and between this product, it just makes it a breeze to be able to clean. So one of my favorite products is Touchless by Bilt Hamber. It is amazing. Like, I just use this as a pre-wash, and I just use it here in my IK2 foam sprayer. I'll spray down the car. I'll let it sit for a few minutes. It'll pull and emulsify, do everything with the dirt to pull it down. And then I'll just do a normal, just spray off at the car wash. And you'll see just how well this thing looks. So between doing the work and getting the ceramic coating done and using Bilt Hamber Touchless, it really is a game changer. This is my favorite pre-wash product that's out there. I've tried a lot of APCs, I've tried a lot of different stuff, but this stuff is just purely amazing. And it's safe for ceramic coatings. It definitely has some different chemistry to it, and it is a game changer. And let's go ahead, I'll go ahead and take it to the car wash, spray the soap on, let it sit for a few minutes, let it do its thing, and we'll just spray some soap onto the car and spray it off, and we'll see how clean it gets it. All right, and you can see here just kind of what it's done. It's traced and it's pulled a lot of this down, and is continuing to pull a lot of this down and break it down. And when I apply a pressure washer to it, it's gonna remove almost all of this. So definitely doing its work. Let's go ahead and spray it off. See the beading kind of coming back from ceramic coating and even down below. That beading coming back. All right, let's go see what it looks like. Look at the beading. And down here, this is where it gets the dirtiest. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But just in wintertime, especially if it's gonna rain or snow again, like even look at like the beading here and the back and how dirty all of that was. Now, if I wanted to go home and do it how I would prefer, I'd go do and rinseless wash just because that's my preferred method. But you guys can see, I mean, there's shine in the paint. And this is why I love Bilt Hamber Touchless so much, is it really just makes it so nice and easy to clean. I did go over the wheels here. The wheels, no, they're not perfect. They still have some stuff in there. But overall, for just kind of taking care of the paint, looks really good. And that's why it is my favorite pre-wash. So if you guys haven't tried it out, I suggest giving it a go. It's one of my favorite products. But you guys can see there, just look at those beads sitting on top. And it does help for sure that I have this car ceramic coated. Obviously, if you don't have it ceramic coated, you're not gonna have results like that or anything. But it definitely keeps my car very clean, and that's why I love Bilt Hamber Touchless.